we're talking about the dottle. Now let me tell you, if you're drinking out of one of these guys,
Hi, I'm a plastic bottle.
you're probably ingesting microplastics like these. You don't want that in your bloodstream, and you won't get any from the dottle because it's made from clean, safe glass. There's just a few problems with glass. For one, it doesn't insulate. Yeah, that's gonna be a no. Also, it breaks. Sorry! Fortunately, you also get this metal bottle, giving you all the benefits of a thermos. It'll keep your hot coffee hot and your iced coffee iced. The glass bottle can be inserted into the metal one, providing all the benefits of both while eliminating the downsides. Both bottles can be used independently, are leak-proof, and have their own caps. Plus, they're fitted with state-of-the-art air vents, providing vacuum-sealed insulation. It's got a flip top for the metal bottle and a screw top for the glass one. Want to keep those pearly whites? Use the built-in straw. Need your hands free? Use the built-in hook. You can even use the bottom of the metal bottle as a koozie. It's every innovation in bottle technology combined into one. It'll hydrate and keep you safe from microplastics. Get your dottle today.